We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Hello, it is time for a Hakka lesson of the day.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong.
Hey, Joseph Ling. And today I want to give this information out to everyone who's listening. And you know, we've been doing this Hakka segment for many years now. And it's not just about teaching the language, but also telling you what's happening with the Hakka culture here in Taiwan. As a matter of fact, the Hakka Affairs Commission here in Taiwan is holding their first annual Tong Flower. Anyways, since it's that time of the year, they're promoting a creative product design competition involving the Tong flower, whether it's using it as a design or maybe even using the Tong flower itself to create some products. Anyways, the whole thing is to promote the Hakka culture here in Taiwan, and hopefully through these creative ideas, we can find out more about the Hakka culture. And the deadline for the whole thing for applications is March 1st. And for more information, you can always log onto the Hakka Affairs website, right?
唔錯，故所咧，大家要報名嘅話，記得咯，報名嘅截止日期啊係3月初一。
3月初一，就是3月初一，对不对？
对，詳細嘅內容做得上行政院客家委員會嘅網站來查詢。
This is very interesting, actually. 其實你也有看過一些這個設計出來的東西，還蠻
有啊，像有顏色嘅那個碗啊，碗
嗎？
還有盤的啊，
盤子嗎？
還有那個書啊。
書啊，
封面啊，有冇？都講，還有內褲帶呢？
是這樣講嗎？他講內褲帶就是 necktie。
內褲帶外來語。
That's actually Japanese. Anyways, through what I was just saying, let's teach a few more vocabulary words right here. Since this is the first annual, 這是第一屆。教看。第一屆。哦，那如果是第二屆的話
T 二屆
T 做在 gay 呢好，第一屆就是 that's the first annual. How about the Tong flower? 桐花到底怎麼說？
桐花
很簡單，桐花 Okay, that's the Tong flower. And since we're talking about design 設計
設計
又是 gay 啊第一屆然後又設計殺雞又剛剛是要被抬雞，而且嘛被個殺雞，做雞在哈卡的這個文化裡面好可憐啊。That's design 啊，設計啦，對不對？So there you have it. That's our Hakka lesson of the day.
什麼大家？
俺子 say 張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製，邀您一起體驗另一種不同的客家文化之美。
We love Hakka has been brought to you by the Council for Hakka Affairs of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.